Hello everyone, our course today is going to be about iPhone 7 no service repair. First, run cosmetic inspection of the logic board. The logic board is not deformed or water damaged. Next, let's assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and display assembly installed. Connect the battery and insert the SIM card. Hold the power button to turn on the phone. The phone turns on normally. The phone shows a no service error in the upper left corner. Go to Settings General About. Baseband info of the phone displays normally. Spread out the dialer board and enter ##06#. IMEI number of the phone appears on the screen. We can confirm now that the baseband circuit is in normal condition. And the fault is related to the radio frequency circuit. As a common issue of iPhone repair, iPhone 7 no service is usually caused by malfunction of XCVR1 RF and related circuits. So our next move is to check XCVR1 RF and related circuits. Take apart the phone and remove the display assembly. Take out the logic board. Connect the battery connector with the power supplier. Insert the SIM card. Press power button on the power supplier. The system will then detect power button press. Current reading on the ammeter is normal. Continue to measure the power supply voltage of XCVR1 RF. The measured value is normal. Judging by this, the power supply voltage of XCVR1 RF is normal. So the fault might be related to XCVR1 RF. Let's replace XCVR1 RF with a new one and see how it works. Heat with hot air gun at 330 degrees, airflow 3. And detach XCVR1 RF from the board. Then, apply some paste flex to the bonding pad. Clean the bonding pad with rosin-soaked solder wick. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Again, let's apply some paste flex to the bonding pad. Get a new XCVR1 RF in position. Solder with hot air gun at 330 degrees, airflow 3. Once done, clean with PCB cleaner. Now we can assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and display assembly installed. Connect the battery and insert the SIM card. Hold the power button to turn on the phone. Signal bars and carrier info in the upper left corner are back to normal. Make a phone call. The talk gets through normally. Fault cleared. Warm tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 7 no service issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 7 no service repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.driwatechnology.com. See you next course.